Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today's session on financial goal setting. My name is Lisa Mahoney, and I'm thrilled to guide you on this journey to take control of your financial future. Together, we'll explore strategies to build, protect, and grow your wealth in ways that align with your personal values. Let's get started. Disclaimer. This presentation, whether live streamed, or on demand, is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or tax advice. The concepts and strategies shared are intended to inform and empower, but may not be suitable for your specific circumstances. Consult with a team of qualified financial professionals, including but not limited to registered investment advisors, accredited financial counselors, tax professionals, and attorneys who can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique needs. Any references to specific companies, products, or services are for illustrative purposes only and do not constitute endorsements. By participating in or viewing this content, you agree to assume full responsibility for your financial decisions and outcomes based on the information provided. Let's start with what we aim to accomplish today. By the end of this session, you'll identify the importance of financial goals, learn how to set them using the E-SMARTY framework, explore real-life examples of achievable goals, and identify actionable steps to take today. By the end of this session, you'll have the tools and confidence to take meaningful steps toward your financial success. Let's begin by exploring the importance of financial goals and a practical framework to guide your journey. Achievement happens when we pursue and attain what we want. Success comes when we are in clear pursuit of why we want it. Simon Sinek, the author of Start With Why, reminds us that our goals need to align with our values to keep us focused and motivated. Let's start by defining what truly matters to you. A financial goal is a personal money objective. Why do financial goals matter? Clear goals give you direction, motivate you to stay focused, and help you track progress. Without goals, financial stress can creep in, or opportunities to grow wealth may be missed. For example, studies show that individuals with clear financial plans save significantly more than those without. Setting goals puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. Now, let's dive into the E-SMARTY framework, a dynamic way to set goals. Each letter represents a key principle. Excited. Your goal should energize you and align with what's most important. Specific. Clearly define your goals so it's easy to understand. Measurable. Track your progress with clear metrics. Achievable. Set realistic goals that challenge but don't overwhelm you. Relevant. Align your goal with your values and priorities. Time-bound. Set a deadline to stay motivated and focused. Yours. Make the goal personal and meaningful to you. The key to this framework is to ensure that your goals truly resonate with you. Let's talk about barriers that might get in the way and strategies to overcome them. We will also dive into some examples you may want to consider. Setting goals is easy. Getting started and staying on track can be challenging. Some common barriers include procrastination, fear or lack of knowledge, and external pressure. If you feel procrastination, try breaking goals into small, manageable steps and then reasonably celebrate the small wins. For fear or lack of knowledge, if you're feeling unsure, use trusted resources and ask credentialed professionals for guidance. If you're feeling external pressure, stay true to your values and focus on what matters to you, not others' expectations. By addressing these barriers head on, you can make steady progress toward your goals. Let's look next at some small, achievable examples. An early goal that you can start your journey with is to map cash flow for 90 days. Gather your financial statements and then start with pencil and paper, Excel, or a budgeting app. If you're interested, you can review a list of highly rated apps in the Talk Money material, or you can download the Smart Dollar Budget and Savings tool. To get started, list your take-home pay and then start subtracting your expenses, the first of which would be the recurring items, such as housing, transportation, utilities, and groceries. You can categorize and subtract discretionary spending items. These would include things like subscriptions and dining out, anything over which you have control. And then finally, be sure to include your debt payments as well. Identify any areas for adjustment, make changes, and try again. You can use the extra money for your next goal, which might be to build an emergency fund of $1,000. You can do this by opening an online high-yield savings account or a money market account, both of which earn more interest than your regular savings. You can automate savings starting with $100 per paycheck and then gradually increase contributions to reach your goal. These foundational steps create financial stability and momentum. Protecting your finances is crucial to avoid financial setbacks. Start by getting an umbrella policy of $1 million or more. It's additional liability coverage for large medical and legal claims against your auto or homeowner's insurance. If liability coverage for auto insurance is $100,000 and medical bills from an accident cost $150,000, an umbrella policy would cover the additional $50,000 that is not covered by auto insurance. A $1 million umbrella policy costs about $175 per year, and it can be bundled with home and auto by contacting the insurance company. Another great way to protect finances is to minimize risk of fraud and identity theft. Go to annualcreditreport.com and check all 3 credit reports. Be sure to dispute errors, inaccuracies, and fraud. You can also freeze credit reports at no cost to prevent unauthorized accounts. You can also get identity theft protection and restoration service for about $150 per year so that a representative can address issues on your behalf. To start, go to the Talk Money material and review a list of highly rated identity theft protection and restoration services. These steps protect your financial foundation from unexpected events. You can tackle debt effectively. Start by listing all creditors, balances, and minimum payments. Do not include the mortgage. Use the extra cash flow to prioritize power paying one debt at a time while making minimum payments on the rest. Pause debt payments when emergencies arise. Pivot your finances, then proceed with your original plan when the situation is stable. Get a free debt reduction tool from the Talk Money material to get organized, prioritize, and track your progress. Staying flexible and focused ensures steady progress. Start investing to build long-term wealth. Investing is for 5 years or more. Open an online investment account with a reputable brokerage company such as Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Deposit funds regularly, starting with $100 a month, and then choose investments to grow your money over decades. Investing is a powerful tool for creating future financial security. Retirement investing ensures future financial independence. Start with your employer-sponsored plan to get the match. You can contribute as little as 1% to your employer plan, whether it's traditional or Roth, and then increase your contributions each month by 1% until you finally get to that full match. It is free money. You can also contribute to a Roth IRA, and you could start with as little as $100 a month. You would open a Roth IRA with a brokerage company such as Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. automate that $100 a month deposit and then choose the investments that you want for long-term growth. Because remember, investing is for 5 years or more. To access Roth funds tax-free, the accounts must be at least 5 years old and the account owner must be at least 59 and a half in order to withdraw. What is your plan? Let's focus on putting it all together for you. Now it's your turn. Use the free My Action Plan from the Talk Money material to think about your values and priorities. Write down what you would do with the freedom that time and money will give you. Dream big and list them all. Focusing on one goal, use the E-SMARTY framework to write down one financial change. What's one action you can take today to move closer to that goal? Here's some resources to help you. You can check your credit reports at annualcreditreport.com in order to check for errors and fraud and freeze credit reports for free. If you would like additional help, you can speak with a financial counselor at findanafc.org. Or if you need help perhaps focusing on debt management, you can work with a credit counselor at the National Foundation for Credit Counseling. You can find one at nfcc.org. If you're ready to invest, you can research and you should research investment professionals at brokercheck.finra.org and adviserinfo.sec.gov. If you're looking for free tools and resources, please visit the Talk Money material. You can find that at tinyurl.com/talk-money-material. Thank you for participating today. Financial success starts with clear, actionable goals. Stay committed to learning, earning, and growing. You've got this.